Problem number 22. An object placed 50 centimeter from a lens produces a virtual image at a distance of 10 centimeter. In front of the lens, it is given in front of the lens. Calculate the focal length of the lens and the magnification produced. So what is the name of the lens is not given, my dear students. How to find out? Is there any hint? The image is formed in front of the lens is the hint. So image distance is negative. And what type of image is given? It is virtual and erect image. So the lens should be a concave lens. Understand? Okay. So what are the given quantities? First of all, so the object distance is given as 50 centimeter. So object distance u is equal to minus 50 centimeter. Where is the image formed? At a distance of 10 centimeter in front of the lens is given. In front of the lens. Therefore it is also negative. And its distance is what? 10. So v is equal to minus 10 centimeter. We have to find the focal length and the magnification. Okay, students? So the relation connecting u, v and f is the lens equation. So from the lens equation, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. So what is 1 by f is equal to, substitute for v and u. V is minus 10. So that this is first term is minus 1 by 10. And minus of minus, okay, minus of minus is plus. So this is minus 1 by 50. Therefore 1 by f is now equal to, this is plus 1 by 50 I will write. So this is plus 1 by 50 minus 1 by 10. So LCM is 50 now. Okay, students? So I will write here 1 by f. Okay. So 1 by f is equal to, LCM is 50. So this is 1 minus, this is 5 by 50. So 1 minus 5. Okay. So this is equal to minus 4 divided by 50. So 1 by f is equal to minus 2 by 25, or f is equal to minus 25 divided by 2, that is equal to minus 12.5. So the focal length is coming as negative. So the focal length f is equal to minus 12.5 centimeter. Okay, students? So what is the nature of the lens? From this we can guess that it is a concave lens. So the focal length is negative. So how to find magnification now? So magnification m is equal to what formula? Directly v divided by u. So that v is equal to minus 10. So v is equal to minus 10 divided by u is equal to minus 50. So this is equal to minus 50. So this is equal to 1 by 5. Okay, so 1 by 5 is equal to what? 0.2. Therefore, m is equal to plus 0.2. So it is coming as positive because the image is virtual and erect image. So this is less than 1. M is less than 1. M is less than 1 means it should be a diminished image. So what is the nature of the image? Already they have given it as a virtual image. Now it is diminished also. So the image already partially it is given. Image is virtual, then it is erect, and it is diminished. Okay, students? Why it is diminished? Because the magnification is less than 1. I hope you have understood this. Okay, students? Okay. Problem number 23. A concave lens of focal length 15 centimeter forms an image 10 centimeter from the lens. That is 10 centimeter from the lens image is being formed. So image distance is given here. How far is the object? How far is the object from the lens? That means object distance placed from the lens. Draw the ray diagram. Okay, students, as usual, what are the given quantities? Let us summarize. So in this question, a lens of focal length is given. It is a concave lens. So the focal length of a concave lens must be negative. So it is minus 15 centimeter. Minus 15 centimeter. And what else is given? it forms an image which is a 10 centimeter from the lens. So the image distance is equal to minus 10 centimeter. Okay, students. Object distance is asked. So that is a u equal to question mark. We have to find. This is the first time we are finding the object distance. So what is the equation relating f, b and u is the lens equation. So from the lens equation, what is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. Okay. So this is therefore 1 by u we want. So 1 by u is taken to the left side. This will become what? 1 by v minus 1 by f. Okay, students, we want to find the value of u. So I have taken 1 by u. This minus 1 by u comes to the left as 1 by u. This is equal to 1 by v minus of 1 by f. So now you substitute 1 by u is now equal to 1 by v minus 1 by f. So this is minus 1 by 10. This is minus 1 by 10 minus of minus 1 by 15. Minus 1 by 15. Okay, students. So this minus of minus will become plus. So the positive I will write first. So this will become what? 1 by 15 minus 1 by 10. So that the LCM is here 30. Okay. So 15 2s are 30 minus 3 10s are 30. Therefore 1 by u is equal to 2 minus 3. So 2 minus 3 is equal to how much? Minus 1 by 30. So 1 by u is equal to minus 1 by 30. Therefore what is u equal to? Therefore, okay, therefore u is equal to minus 30 centimeter. So the object distance is found to be minus 30 centimeter. Next, we have to draw a ray diagram corresponding to this. Is it not? Ray diagram. Ray diagram I am going to draw now. So for that, first I will take, this is the principal axis. So this straight line is the principal axis. I am going to draw the concave lens. So the concave lens is drawn like this. This is a concave lens. Okay, students. Now the object will be drawn. You see here, I will take, this is the optic center. This is the optic center O. O is the optic center. Now actually what is the focal length given here is minus 15. Then object distance is 30. So I will take from here focal length. So this is the focal length and twice this. Okay, here is the 30 centimeter. So whenever you draw the diagram, some approximation must be followed. So if this is 0 means this is 15 centimeter means double this is 30 centimeter, like that you will have to draw now. So what is the object distance? Object distance is 30 centimeter. Okay, students. So here is the object. So this is 15. This is 30 means I will place the object here. Okay. So this is the object. So I will take O is the object. Now a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. Okay, students. So a ray of light parallel to the principal axis. So when it falls on the concave lens means it will be what? Diverging, is it not? Okay, so this will be diverging, and this is the diverging light, like this. Now if you produce this divergent light in the reverse direction, means it appears to pass through the principal focus. So like this. Okay, students, I have produced this refracted ray back. It will be passing through the principal focus. So this is the principal focus. Okay, this is the principal focus. Okay, now another ray of light I will take such that it is passing through the optical center itself. Okay, students. So this is another ray of light. You see, this is the second ray of light. This ray of light which is passing through the optic center will not undergo any refraction, so that it will be passing in the same direction. Okay. So this is a refracted ray. This is a refracted ray 1 and this is a refracted ray 2. Okay, students. Now can you see anywhere these two rays are interfering with each other? You can see here. So this is where the image is being formed. Okay, students, you see here, this is where the image is being formed. So this is the image. So now you see that the object distance is how much it is minus 30 centimeter. So that you will see here, this distance if you measure means this distance if you measure it is 30 centimeter. And the focal length, this distance if you measure means it is how much 15 centimeter. And what is the image distance is 10 centimeter. So approximately you are getting, you see here. So this is 5 centimeter and this is double of this is 10 centimeter. So if you scale, if you use a scale and a pencil means still perfect diagram you will be having. So my dear students, you have to practice this diagram in a notebook using scale and a sharp pencil. And one more information here in ray optics, the path of light, the direction of the incident light and the refracted light ray must be informed. Okay students, have you understood? Okay.